Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be making a Christmas display sign made out of gold foil. There's other options to choose from: green, red, or gold. If you want to see how I supplemented my birch wood, you'll find the link in the description of the video. I wanted to show you the wrong way of doing this so you won't get discouraged on doing it yourself for the first time. Just follow along. Notice as I cut the sheet of foil, everything started laying flat smoothly. Now let me show you the correct way how I do it so it will lay down smoothly every time. The hard part about working with this material that it is very sticky, so follow along. Cut the proper length of material that is needed for the project that you are working on. Grab yourself a pair of scissors to get a nice clean cut. Just fold back the paper about a 1/4 inch from the beginning to start off laying down the foil paper. Get yourself a nice squeegee to work the material. Start off by squeegeeing the middle of the material and work your way out. And once the material is laying down flat, just work your way across the whole material. Everything should start laying down flat easily from here. After everything is completed, use a damp rag and wipe down the foil sticker to have a nice clean finish. These will be the settings that I use to score the foil. After a quick little wipe down, now it's time to peel off the excess foil that I don't need. As you can see, this foil is very hard to remove. I'm going to cut my material. I'm just adding masking tape so I don't have any burnt marks on my material. And if you have made it this far, I would like to say thank you. Stay connected. I have a lot more videos coming out like this. And you are more than welcome to share my videos. Give it a thumbs up if you have learned anything.